This is something every retiree or soon-to-be retiree should consider. If you don't want to spend your retirement years worrying about the stock market or Uncle Sam devouring your retirement savings, if you own IRAs or other tax-deferred accounts, you have a huge tax problem. See if you qualify for a step-by-step retirement exit strategy plan to get to that 0% tax bracket in retirement, also known as tax-free income. Why is this so important? Because if tax rates double, as research and some experts predict, 2 times 0 is still 0%. According to IRS guidelines 101A, 72E, and 7702, in many cases, it's impossible to get to that 0% tax bracket without using these tax codes. You will receive the single biggest benefit in the tax code to create the holy grail of retirement planning. Finding the right retirement exit strategy is kind of like finding the right ideal spouse. Protect, multiply, and reduce your risk and your taxes. See if you qualify.